So this is the actual 23 and 26, all right? The 26 is more square, but it seems like it's smaller, to be honest with you. I see it like, even in sight comparison, the 23 is a little larger, taller, I would say, taller. But width wise, it's about the same size. Color. I got this color kind of like a purplish color, like it reminds me of Robocop. The one thing that's a lot larger is the camera. All right, there's a bigger bump than the last one. The last one's more embedded, if you guys can see that, and this camera has a lot larger than the last one, and it has an extra casing that you have to be worrying about. The bottom is pretty much, ignore my dirtiness on this one. You do have a type C. It's a lot faster. There is a SIM card in the same location. One thing that I did notice on this one right here on the 23 is that the pen, you can actually put it in any direction you want and put it in there. All right, so that's a great feature I used to like. Even if I dropped it, just put it in there. And this one, you cannot do that. If I didn't have a case, this thing would have shattered. All right, so even the cases themselves were a little bit difficult to take out the actual foam from it. This is the front camera of the Galaxy 26 Ultra, and like I said, it's a little dark here. All right, this is the Galaxy 23 Ultra front camera, and it's a little dark here. Now, the great feature about this phone that I really like was one of the things that sold me. I'm going to show you guys. So basically, you go down here where it says display privacy. All right, you turn that on. Now on here, if you notice, look at that, it disappears now. It disappears. Now you can control if you want to disappear the top or the bottom. It's controllable. You can mess with that. So if you are going to upgrade, you have to have reasons. Either you break your phone's broken, or it's not working, or stop working, then jump to a 26. It's 23 was really reliable. Now I'm expecting much more on the 26 to be even more reliable. Now it is a lot lighter, a couple, maybe grams lighter, but it feels like a regular phone if it's more square. And when I say regular, it's because this was more, it's very slippery from the front, to be honest with you. And you could feel it. It's a little rougher and tougher, but this one's going to give me more out of my money because I do content, and I'm going to make sure that, I'm going to keep using it, and anything comes out, I'll make sure you guys know about it. But it's one of those phones that, is it worth upgrading? It's up to you. I can't tell you what to do with your own money. I wouldn't jump into any other phone other than the Android, to be honest with Samsung Galaxy phones, which have been really loyal to me. So that's why I'm going to continue to do the same. So I hope you guys enjoy this video.